Hey guys, welcome back here. Wilson Dale here. Hey guys, welcome back here. Wilson Taylor here. Hope you're having a great day, a great week, whatever it is you are having. Just go ahead and make it great. If it's not already great, get out there and create something. We're talking about the top lenses for Instagram. That's right. What lens should you have? This is the 50mm prime, or the Nifty 50, a 1.8 aperture. You get those buttery, creamy, beautiful, gorgeous shots. That's right, the Nifty 50. What makes it so gorgeous? Well, the 1.8 aperture alone, it lets so much light in. It gives you that blurred background. What is a prime lens, you might be thinking to yourself as well. A prime lens, just to sum it up, it's a fixed focal length. It does not change. You cannot zoom with it. It's period, it's 50. If you get a 35 prime, it's only 35, never ever changes. I want you to take a look at a couple different pictures here. Notice this one here. It does not have a fixed focal length and the aperture is at 5.6. And then now look at this Nifty 50 prime lens of an aperture of 1.8. Look at these two side by side and see if you can tell me which is which. Gorgeous pictures. This lens comes in at around $59 because it's not a Canon brand. But if you were to buy the Canon brand lens, it's around $129. There's always links below in the description where I will refer to where you can get this lens, how much they cost at the time. I leave them in the description. But notice the huge difference in these beautiful photographs that you can get with this Nifty 50. So if you're looking for a cheap, inexpensive lens that doesn't take cheap or inexpensive looking photos, this is the baby for you right here. Anyone that's into photography or into getting some of the beautiful, gorgeous, silky, crazy looking B-roll as well, what an incredible lens. Pick one up, highly recommend it. Thanks so much guys, hope this is useful information, and like always I will see you in the next one, and please hit that subscribe button if you have not already. If you like this stuff, why are you not subscribed? Catch you guys later with my Nifty 50. Beautiful. You guys got to get one of these. Not a fixed focal length.